guys, so if you have some customization into your WordPress website, then I highly recommend that you generate a child theme. So reason for that is you want to make sure that all of your custom changes will still as is. Every time there's an update with your theme will refresh. And if you put your customization into your theme, all of the codes that you put there will be vanished. So you need to have a child theme. That's the best practices. Now in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a child theme in just a single click, and how you can customize your child theme as well and add some files for customization. Without further ado, let's begin now. 1, 2, 3. Unlike before, you really need to code your child theme, but it was actually simple. So if you want to code it manually, then I have a tutorial for that. This is the breakdown from Elegant Themes and how you can create a child theme from scratch. But I prefer the plugin way because the functionality is just the same and it's super simple. You just need to activate the child theme and boom, okay? So I will to generate or to create a child theme, just type in child theme generator, so this one, and then install. You don't need to set this child theme on your plugins. It's just a one-time use. So once you already generated a child theme using the child theme generator, then you can deactivate it after, okay? So to do that, activate the child theme, and then go to the create thing in here, and then you can add a title of your child theme. So let's say this would be for wardrobe in motion, okay? And then description, you can add description if you want. Swipe, I forgot our description. Let me just grab that. Oh, what happened? Activate that one, okay? So I'm going to grab that and swipe. Passion threads you like, child theme URL, you can skip that, and then put the details. Now this one you can put if it's this would be kind of helpful if you have a lot of customization on your child in your child theme. So whether it's a 1.0 version, 2.20 version, so it depends on you. So we will make sure that this one is clicked. So create child theme, and then would you like to activate the child theme after generating or keep it deactivate? So let's say we just want to keep it deactivate. So if we click the finish one, and then if you go to the appearance section, you will see the child theme is generated, okay? So now let's say we want to activate the child theme. You click that activate, and then so right now our child theme is already the superior over the Divi theme. So the first thing that will run is the child theme, and then after the Divi theme. Now, what if you want to change the pictures on your child theme? First is you install a plugin called, so we can deactivate this after, because we already generated the child theme, right? So we will deactivate that one, and then we will install a WP file manager and activate this. Again, this is still similar with the child theme. You will only use this one if you want to edit something on your files. So instead of going to your hosting provider and going to the cPanel or FTP or CLI, you can use the advanced file manager if you are limited on working with code stuff, okay? So activate that one, install, and then activate. Now go to the file manager and then look for the themes. As you can see here, there is a theme called wardrobe in motion. So this is the name this is what we've named when we created the child theme, right? So if you go in here, this is the screenshot. So you can download that screenshot. Okay, click the right click and then downloads, and then let's put it in here, that one. Make sure that the naming is still screenshot.png, because that's otherwise the screenshot on your child theme will not work. Okay, now I'm going to copy this image here, okay, because this is our logo, and to copy. Okay, I just want to make the child theme screenshot as simple as possible. Okay, open the Photoshop. You can also use Canva if you want, so it depends on you, as long as the file name of the image is screenshot.png. Okay, it should be screenshot.png. Okay, and then I'm gonna open that. I'll replace it with my with our logo, and I just wanted to keep it white. Simple as that. Okay, and let's do it that way. Okay, and we will overwrite it, save it as PNG, still the same, and I'm gonna re-upload the file. So you're in here, you can click this one, I believe. No, it should be, okay, click, right click, and then upload files, and then select a file, this top, and then this one, and you will be asked if you want to replace the old file to a new one. Let's save yes. Okay, and it's already changed. So let's go back to the appearance and let's see. Let's refresh. How about we try to use that PNG? I'm going to use that JPEG. Okay, and refresh. Okay, so as you can see here, it is updating. So you need to make sure that it is a screenshot.png. So when you generate a theme, a screenshot or a preview, it should be, you remove the screenshot.png and then you upload a screenshot.jpg. Okay, so like that. And then what if you want to add a file? So in the child theme under the Divi, so what if you want to add, to overwrite the default footer of your theme? So to do that, just right click the file, for example, footer.php, and then click the copy, and then go back with your child theme, right click and paste. And then by that, you can make changes. So every time you make changes into your footer.php, every time the child theme or every time the parent theme has a new version, then your customized version of footer.php will not be affected. So that will be the purpose why you need a child theme. You don't want to vanish all of the custom changes that you did on your website when there is a new version of your parent. So if you haven't used child theme, I really encourage you to start using it.